Of a baby, and then he became my drummer. I give you Brad effing Moxie. time for the Brad. Yeah, spank it. Spank it. Show to get to, but we love you all a long time for a good cause. Thank you very much for having us. Shane needs water. I don't know. I'm gonna go for it, man. I'm gonna be tough and hardcore. I'm gonna be wicked hardcore.
You're so Pittsburgh and you don't even know it.
All right, let's melt it.
Do it.
When he came across this bald man on the drums with his pen, and a double thumbs up on a hickory stump and said, "I'm gonna tell you what, if you didn't know it, I'm a player too.
And if you care to take a care, I'll make a bet with you.
Now you play pretty good spin flute, Shane. You can juggle his too. I got a fiddle like gold against your soul. That's hands on bigger than you. What's that? My name's Moxie, and it might be a sin, but I'll take that bet. You're gonna fix investors in it. Johnny, I'm up here, go play that fiddle, boy.
because he knew that he'd been beaten. And he laid that golden shower on the ground at Shane here's feet. Johnny said, "No, come on back if you ever want to try again. I told you once, this son of a gun, I'm the best you've ever been." I said, thank you very much for Dirty Pete. We love you long time.